Pinterest, the image-focused social media website, which target audience is 80% women ready to spend money over the net, is a great website to market your website, company, service, or whatever you would like to advertise, if you are certain your service/product is going to be beneficial for female clientele. Pinterest marketing can be challenging, extremely hard. It is difficult to obtain followers, it's hard to get them interact with your own pins, repin them, or comment on them. Furthermore, it's difficult to get visits from your own pins to your main site. Then again, that's only in the early stages. Once the ball starts rolling, as well as your pins go viral, things are pretty much on autopilot due to the fact Pinterest members do the work for you. Repin your pins so their followers see them and check out your website, then simply decide to buy your services or products. To get this accomplished, you will definitely need to interact with your own followers, create connection to them, which often can take a lot of your time, quite likely 5-6 hours each day. To make your life a lot easier, you need to start considering working with some automation tool for your Pinterest account, or accounts. Yes, most online marketers use multiple accounts to market their online business, website, or everything else they want. At the moment, the best automation tool that you may get for Pinterest is Social Media Automation Tool. It practically has everything essential for profitable Pinterest promotional campaign. Link in the video description below here. "120 freelance outsourcing jobs available on Fiverr.com. Subscribe now, my YouTube channel."